Hey geography stars! Let's test your skills with this ultimate US states and capitals challenge. What is the capital city of New York State? Is it A, New York City, B, Albany, or C, Buffalo? It's B, Albany. It has been the capital since 1797. Which city is the capital of California? Is it A, Los Angeles, B, San Francisco, or C, Sacramento? It's C, Sacramento. It became the permanent capital in 1854. What is the capital of the Lone Star State, Texas? Is it A, Austin, B, Houston, or C, Dallas? It's A, Austin. It is famous for its music scene. Which city is the capital of Florida? Is it A, Miami, B, Orlando, or C, Tallahassee? It's C, Tallahassee, chosen in 1824 for its central location. What is the capital of the island state of Hawaii? Is it A, Honolulu, B, Maui, or C, Hilo? It's A, Honolulu. It is located on Oahu Island. Which state has Denver as its capital city? Is it A, Utah, B, Colorado, or C, Wyoming? It's B, Colorado. Denver is the mile-high city. What is the capital of Arizona? Is it A, Phoenix, B, Tucson, or C, Flagstaff? It's A, Phoenix. It is the most populous capital city. Atlanta is the capital of which southern state? Is it A, Georgia, B, Alabama, or C, Florida? It's A, Georgia. It was a civil rights movement hub. What is the capital of Washington State? Is it A, Seattle, B, Olympia, or C, Tacoma? It's B, Olympia. Olympia is the official state capital. Which city is the capital of Massachusetts? Is it A, Boston, B, Salem, or C, Worcester? It's A, Boston, one of America's oldest historic cities. Nashville is the capital of which U.S. state? Is it A, Kentucky, B, Tennessee, or C, Arkansas? It's B, Tennessee. It is the home of country music. What is the capital of the northernmost state, Alaska? Is it A, Anchorage, B, Juneau, or C, Fairbanks? It's B, Juneau. You can only reach it by boat. What is the capital of Illinois? Is it A, Chicago, B, Springfield, or C, Peoria? It's B, Springfield. It was the home of Abraham Lincoln. Salt Lake City is the capital of which state? Is it A, Utah, B, Nevada, or C, Idaho? It's A, Utah. It hosted the 2002 Winter Olympics. What is the capital of Nevada? Is it A, Las Vegas, B, Reno, or C, Carson City? It's C, Carson City, named after Scout Kit Carson. Indianapolis is the capital of which U.S. state? Is it A, Ohio, B, Indiana, or C, Illinois? It's B, Indiana, famous for the Indy 500 race. What is the capital of Louisiana? Is it A, New Orleans, B, Baton Rouge, or C, Shreveport? It's B, Baton Rouge. It sits on the Mississippi River. Madison is the capital city of which state? Is it A, Wisconsin, B, Minnesota, or C, Iowa? It's A, Wisconsin. It is built between two beautiful lakes. What is the capital of Michigan? Is it A, Detroit, B, Lansing, or C, Grand Rapids? It's B, Lansing. It became the capital in 1847. What is the capital city of Ohio? Is it A, Cleveland, B, Columbus, or C, Cincinnati? It's B, Columbus. It is Ohio's largest city. Boise is the capital of which U.S. state? Is it A, Oregon, B, Idaho, or C, Montana? It's B, Idaho, famous for growing delicious potatoes. What is the capital of Pennsylvania? Is it A, Philadelphia, B, Pittsburgh, or C, Harrisburg? It's C, Harrisburg. It lies on the Susquehanna River. What is the capital of Oregon? Is it A, Portland, B, Salem, or C, Eugene? It's B, Salem, located in the fertile Willamette Valley. Annapolis is the capital of which U.S. state? Is it A, Maryland, B, Delaware, or C, Virginia? It's A, Maryland, home to the U.S. Naval Academy. What is the capital of Kentucky? Is it A, Louisville, B, Lexington, or C, Frankfort? It's C, Frankfort, located in the beautiful Bluegrass region. Montgomery is the capital of which southern state? Is it A, Mississippi, B, Alabama, or C, Georgia? It's B, Alabama, a major city in civil rights history. What is the capital of North Carolina? Is it A, Charlotte, B, Raleigh, or C, Asheville? It's B, Raleigh, known as the City of Oaks. Topeka is the capital of which Midwestern state? Is it A, Kansas, B, Nebraska, or C, Oklahoma? It's A, Kansas. Kansas is the sunflower state. What is the capital of New Mexico? Is it A, Albuquerque, B, Santa Fe, or C, Las Cruces? It's B, Santa Fe, the highest altitude capital in America. Concord is the capital of which New England state? Is it A, Vermont, B, New Hampshire, or C, Maine? It's B, New Hampshire. It was settled back in 1725. What is the capital of Nebraska? Is it A, Omaha, B, Lincoln, or C, Grand Island? It's B, Lincoln, named after President Abraham Lincoln. Pierre is the capital of which northern state? Is it A, North Dakota, B, South Dakota, or C, Montana? It's B, South Dakota, located right on the Missouri River. What is the capital of Minnesota? Is it A, Minneapolis, B, St. Paul, or C, Duluth? It's B, St. Paul. It forms the famous Twin Cities. What is the capital of Missouri? Is it A, St. Louis, B, Kansas City, or C, Jefferson City? It's C, Jefferson City, named after President Thomas Jefferson. Helena is the capital of which mountain state? Is it A, Montana, B, Wyoming, or C, Idaho? It's A, Montana, founded during a gold rush. What is the capital of Maine? Is it A, Portland, B. Augusta, or C. Bangor? It's B. Augusta, the easternmost capital in the country. Bismarck is the capital of which U.S. state? Is it A. North Dakota, B. South Dakota, or C. Nebraska? It's A. North Dakota. It sits on the Missouri River. What is the capital of Vermont? Is it A. Burlington, B. Montpelier, or C. Rutland? It's B. Montpelier, the least populous U.S. state capital. Cheyenne is the capital of which western state? Is it A. Wyoming, B. Colorado, or C. Montana? It's A. Wyoming, named after the Cheyenne Nation. What is the capital of Iowa? Is it A. Cedar Rapids, B. Des Moines, or C. Davenport? It's B. Des Moines, a major hub for insurance. Dover is the capital of which historic state? Is it A. Delaware, B. Rhode Island, or C. Connecticut? It's A. Delaware, the first state to ratify the Constitution. What is the capital of West Virginia? Is it A. Wheeling, B. Morgantown, or C. Charleston? It's C. Charleston, the largest city in the state. Little Rock is the capital of which U.S. state? Is it A. Arkansas, B. Missouri, or C. Louisiana? It's A. Arkansas, located right in the state's center. What is the capital of Connecticut? Is it A. New Haven, B. Hartford, or C. Bridgeport? It's B. Hartford, one of New England's oldest cities. How many capitals did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes.